everybody, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from So Cute Planner, and I do have a code for her. And she is actually going to be in the next TPC sale. It is April 11th through the 15th, so make sure you hop on over to the Planners Collaborative Facebook page so that you can be friends with them if you're not already, and start joining in on answering some of those shop questions so that you can get a chance to earn a shop credit when the win is on the big old live. So I have not opened this one yet. I love me some Mellow, but I always have to cut her in half. So let's see what we ordered. All right, so the first thing is she sent this Throw Kindness Around Like Confetti, which I love, and then there's their website right there. And it's a card, but I like to laminate these, and I put them in my personal wides as well. So this was a PR freebie, and it has beautiful flowers, butterflies, blooms, springtime, a whole box, and a half box or a quarter box, a little bit bigger than a quarter box. This is another freebie. Isn't that cute? Getting ready for spring and summertime. I am so ready. Okay, and then these are the things that I ordered, and I hope this doesn't offend anybody, but it really doesn't have the words, so, you know, just saying. But I ordered these in gold, and it is a smiley face, crap happens. Because who doesn't have a day like that? And then I ordered the bows on the pink, and it is done in the silver. And these are headers. I'm going to need to order more of those because I already know I like these. This one's done in the silver. And then the gold headers on the pink. These are beautiful. I'm definitely going to have to order some more of those. And then, yes, I'm going to confess, I have fell down the rabbit hole. I am now doing Hobonichi as well, like everybody else is going. And she had some of the best Hobonichi kits I have seen yet. But let me show you these real quick. I got the Hydrate right here, and then the scales right here for weigh-in as well. And I'm going to be using these in my Hobonichi because my Hobonichi is going to be for health and wellness and diet and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so the very first one I got, Spring Flowers. And this is the Hobonichi kit. It comes with 2 pages. The one that I got was 2 pages. There's your day covers, your hydration, your date dots, some functionals, payday, bill due, bottom washies, and then half boxes, quarter boxes, habit trackers, to-dos, important little things, appointment boxes, and then your 3 heart check boxes. Now, how beautiful is this kit? It's gorgeous. So this next one is Shabby Chic. There's your full boxes, your habit trackers, your to-dos, appointment boxes, 3 heart check boxes, quarter boxes, and then your day covers, your water, your bottom washies, your functionals, flags. She gives you a ton in a kit. Shabby Chic. This one is bows. I'm not going to repeat it. I'll just let you look at it. How pretty is that? This is Tropic. How pretty. And then this one is Cherry Blossom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Okay, so if you are on the Hobonichi bandwagon like the rest of us, her prices are extraordinary. And you get, like I just showed you, you get a lot of stickers for what you pay for. So you're definitely going to want to go check her out. I will have all her information down in my link tree down below. And again, don't forget, she is going to be in the next TPC sale. Make sure that you are connected to my Planner Nina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so that you can see what's going on with these sales, how much she's going to be, some of her freebies, etc. And don't forget to go friend the Planners Collaborative on Facebook so that you can jump in on answering some of those shop questions for all the shops and get a chance to win a store credit. All right, I hope that y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Stay tuned to be seeing some of my plan with me's with these, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye-bye.